Hi everyone, Jason from Makera here with the Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro Workpiece fixing tutorial. The Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro's bed and automatic leveling process greatly simplifies workpiece fixing and XYZ positioning. Begin by taking out the L bracket and 4mm locating pins located in the standard toolkit. Position two 4mm locating pins and then align the L bracket with the pins in the bottom left corner of your bed. Tighten the bracket with 3 M5 by 20 screws. Place the material against the L bracket and fix the lower left corner with 2 M5 screws. Secure the upper right corner of the workpiece with the clamp and screws. Ensure that your top clamp overlaps with your stock as shown. By default, the lower left corner inside the L bracket is preset as anchor position 1 for the Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro. For additional ways of workpiece fixing, check out the tutorials for using our low-profile vise and vacuum bed. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.